Welcome to BrainPod AI Writer, your go-to tool for creating engaging content. In this tutorial, we'll show you how easy and fast it is to use the poll questions and multiple choice answers template. First, let's input the topic. For this example, let's choose exploring the world of movies. Next, we'll define the audience. In this case, let's consider movie enthusiasts and casual film lovers. Examples are entirely optional. Now, let's make this content accessible to a wider audience by generating results in multiple languages. This is merely optional and is not mandatory. Perfect. Now, with just a click on the Generate AI Content button, the BrainPod AI Writer will do the work for you. If you ever get a result you do not like, you can use the Reclaim Token feature to reclaim your tokens and not be charged for that output. And there you have it. So why wait? Start creating compelling content today with BrainPod AI Writer. Visit brainpod.ai now and unleash your creativity.